Hey y'all, my name is James. I'm 36 years old and I live in Fayetteville, North Carolina. I keto to lose weight. Everyone's a bit different, everyone has their own journey. My journey is to lose weight and be healthy. I first heard of low carb back, I think it was around 2000, 2001 when my mom started doing it. She started bringing certain things home, certain ingredients, and I was like, what are you doing? I can't have bread, I can't have rice, I can't have fries. And I wasn't having it. So I've tried a few diets along the way. Weight Watchers, juice fast, real fasting, portion control, 1,200 calories or less, and I wasn't very successful. I did keep trying low carb off and on throughout the years. I did lose some weight, but I always went back to normal. So I decided to start again back June 10th, 2018, and I did have hesitations because I had failed in the past, but keto was the most successful I had been thus far, so I decided to give it another go. I really have gotten into keto products, and they have been my biggest successor in this journey, the most recent journey. Before, we didn't have really all of that going on, and I first got introduced to Kiss My Keto through a subscription box that I get monthly. It gives you keto products to try that you may not know about, and this was in my box, the cookie dough Kiss My Keto bar. I first saw it, I loved it, I was like, awesome, it's geared toward keto, it's fueled by fat, so it has lots of fat in it. I'm not normally a bar person, but once I tried this bar, I was blown away, and that's sparked interest. So I decided to go to the Kiss My Keto website to see what else that Kiss My Keto had to offer, and I was just blown away by all of the things that they have. So I bought a couple things. To start with, I bought the Keto Creamer, the Kiss My Keto Keto Creamer. This is an MCT oil powder creamer for your coffee. Mine is birthday cake, and it is absolutely delicious. You hear me? I put it in my coffee. I like to put a little bit in my baked goods. Actually, even sometimes in my ice cream. It's delicious. I have it daily. It is delicious. If you like birthday cake, or if you like the ice cream that's like birthday cake flavor, then you're gonna love this. Second thing I got was the Keto Replenish. It's an electrolytes powder drink. Electrolytes are a necessity on a keto diet. You have to stay hydrated, and electrolyte powder is what helps us get there. It's delicious. There are 90 servings in this. So for the price it's a lot. And I have this every day. It goes in my water. It goes with me on my journey throughout work. I'm a musician, so I'm in lots of rehearsals, and I have this on hand in my bag all the time. Of course, the Kiss My Keto bars is what originally got me into Kiss My Keto, so I decided to get the variety pack to try them all out. This has the cookie dough, the chocolate coconut, and the chocolate peanut butter. They are all delicious. They are full of fat, and fat is what we use to fuel our body for weight loss. So this is a must-have. Next, I got the MCT oil, which I have the C8 and C10. The C8 is the energy booster, and the C10 is good for like your immunity. So I decided to get both. I love the bottle that it comes in. It comes with this cool pump. This is actually MCT oil powder that you can put in anything. You can put it in your coffee, you can put it in your drink, you can actually cook with it. There's lots of times I don't get enough fat in my diet, so I'll throw in some extra fat in my food that I'm cooking in, and this is something you can do. So keep that in mind. I also have the chocolate protein powder, and it is absolutely delicious. Sometimes you need extra protein. I'm not a bodybuilder by any means, but it's good for weight loss too. This helps me get through the day. Sometimes I decide to use it as a meal replacement, and it helps sustain me. One other thing that I have been using is the exogenous ketones. Your body makes ketones, yes, they do. But this is actually, it has an extra boost as far as energy. It helps my mind. It has electrolytes. So I love using this when I can, especially after I've had a cheat day, which we all have had. So don't feel bad about that. This helps me get back into ketosis a little quicker. I like extra security, and this is what it is. Yes, I love Kiss My Keto. The products are great. As I said before, I've been doing this again since June 10th, 2018. I am down 117 pounds, and I contribute a lot of that to Kiss My Keto. If I want a sweet treat, I have an option. If I need energy, I have an option. If I need electrolytes, I have an option. That was most of my struggle when I was doing diets in the past. I couldn't get rid of cravings. I couldn't get anything that would help sustain me. So Kiss My Keto has been a big attribute to my success, and I think you guys need to go check them out, order some things, and tell them James sent you.